As a leading health technology company, Philips is at the forefront of using the latest digital and technology developments for its innovations, as you will see here at IFA.
Light up and let the sun shine. Riding low but head up high. Even when I'm down, I am moving. Feel the rhythm and you will know. It's the rhythm to the minute and you will know. Feel good, your smile could be your teacher. Breathe in real good.
Innovation in you. Philips.